going on, guys? So I know some of you had some questions about the Jeep. Some people just wanted to hear the exhaust, not the music. Understandable. Some asked about the hole in the hood. So I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown around the Jeep again and show you what's going on. So again, it is 5-speed swapped NV4500. Here's my custom little cubby thing. I got a light in here, just for fun. It's all stainless steel. I'll fire it up then, take you around quick. So I got the 40s on now. The rear, I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff, stretch and all kinds of stuff, but probably just gonna cut this corner for now, just so I can run this and drive it around, because it was rubbing a little bit just driving on the road. Same on this side. And just trim some of this off, and then I'll end up stretching it back a good bit, maybe 10 inches or so, and cutting out some of the quarter panel. Here is what you guys saw sticking out of the hood. I need to make a little something to go around the hole there to make it look a little nicer, but it's my power steering reservoir. It goes down to the PSC high performance pump, and I have a giant cooler on for that. This whole thing here is the power steering cooler. I don't have the ram hooked up yet because I want to redo the steering linkage, aluminum tie rod, and probably just do DOM drag link, and then do the high steer arms. So kind of waiting to put the ram in until that's done. Got my stainless exhaust we made. I made a new coil bucket and shock mount and stuff. I got my lance straps in, the Bilsteins. Don't have a whole lot of travel on the front, but I'm not really concerned. I'm gonna have a lot of travel in the rear once I stretch it and stuff. So, but yeah, here's the side. That's up the top, so I guess I didn't hit that yet. So I'll fire it up here for you. Again, here's my exhaust. It goes over top of the long arms, top arms, and I have it cut short here. So let me fire it up. Cold start. So that's that. I'll have to make some videos of driving it around and stuff. I don't want to make too much noise. It's a quiet rainy day today, and my neighbors aren't very far away, so try not to piss anyone off.